Hi everyone, welcome back to LoDe Life in UK channel. This week, I want to share with you how to make Vietnamese fresh spring rolls like this. First, I put 450 grams of king rolls to steam. They were frozen rolls that has been disprotein, so I can remove the black flies that are in the rolls. I have a packet of rice paper with a diameter of 22 centimeters, 150 grams of dry rice noodles, some lettuce and herbs, 100 grams of scratched carrots, some crispy fried onions, and 10 grams of chopped garlic. I now prepare a mixture to make a dipping sauce. I put a tablespoon of cornstarch in the bowl, add 250 milliliters of water. This is hoisin sauce. I add 4 tablespoons into the mixture. Two tablespoons of soy sauce, 1½ tablespoons of sugar. Stir them and let it stand aside. Next, I put a teaspoon of sugar into the carrots and 3 tablespoons of apple vinegar. Mix them up. I now check the prawns that are in the steamer. They are cooked now. I take this away and put in all the packets of rice noodles, 225 grams to boil, but only use 150 grams for this meal. Some for a different meal. Stir them. I want to make sure that all of them soak up water and are boiled evenly. I now add a teaspoon of oil to prevent them sticking together. Now they're perfect. They are cooked. I drained the water off. I now make a dipping sauce. Put the saucepan on the hob. Put in a tablespoon of oil. Add the garlic. The garlic becomes yellow and has the fragrant aroma. Pour half into a bowl for applying on the rice paper later. Put the saucepan back on the hob. If you like this video, please leave a like, subscribe to our channel. Pour the mixture into the saucepan. Add 100 grams of crunchy peanut butter. You can replace peanut butter with almond if you wish. After about 2 minutes, the sauce becomes a little thick like this. It is okay to start cooking now. The dipping sauce is very important to make the meal flavoursome and delicious. I now make the spring rolls. Apply the garlic oil on the glass chopping board. To soften the rice paper, I use this container. This side contains the water. This side contains the dry rice paper. I pour the warm water in. Put a sheet of rice paper in and turn it in the water. Put it on the chopping board. Put some green leaves and noodles on. You can use any greens you wish. I will show you 3 ways to roll. First, fold the sides of the rice paper over the greens and noodles. Roll once. Put the bronze on and then roll fully. The second way, put the bronze on next to the greens and noodles. Fold the sides of the rice paper over the filling, then roll from the bottom up. The third way, fold the rice paper from the bottom to enclose the greens and noodles. Put the rolls on. Fold the sides over and then roll to the end. I prefer this way and demonstrate one more time for you to see. I now serve with the dipping sauce. I put some dipping sauce into a small bowl, add a little chili sauce, some sweet and sour carrots, and some crispy fried onions. Thank you for watching.